Very simple. And
that's kind of like adjusting even a Word document on a,
exactly.
you know, it's not more difficult than that, is it? You just need to know how to get in there. But effectively,
right.
if you can play with a Word document, or you can play with an Excel, you know, any of those standard document type templates.
That's right.
You'll be able to use a WordPress type arrangement.
That's right. Yes.
Yeah, okay.
So that's a perfect setup, and I can definitely see how that would work for business moms. I mean, imagine you got kids, you got things to do, and last thing you want to do is call your web designer and try to explain them exactly what you're trying to do. And
especially too, if all you want to do is upload a photo, maybe, or a one line, you know, like I heard a great line on at that barbecue. I want to be able to put that line in my site somewhere, and the drama that could potentially cause, because you know, do I have to ring and what do I have to do? If I know that I can just kind of jump on there and have a little play.
It's not going to cost you anything. It's just your time, just your input. That's it.
Yeah,
if it's
nice.
all set up right, you're on the right track.
Yeah. Okay. All right. So back to summarise again. I'm in business. I have a small business. I've got a site, but it's not doing what I want, or I haven't got a site yet, but I know I probably should have one. Mm-hmm. What do I do next? What should I do next? Okay.
Well, first of all, you should definitely try to understand exactly what your services are. I mean, while it might be very obvious to you that, let's say you do personal training, I mean, the most popular business, in fact, that people sort of take on would be, let's say, group training, or could be like boot camps. You got to really understand the angle of your business.
There's layers within. So personal training is almost the umbrella.
That's right.
And then there's a whole number of levels that can actually then.
That's right. Don't just sell your business as personal training, for example.
No, because you sound like everybody else.
Try to dissect it. And those are going to be the angles for your site. You basically will present that information from your website. So once you understand the keywords, get yourself a web designer that does content management systems like WordPress, for example, and make sure they set it up correctly. If not, if you want to do things yourself, I would suggest looking at WordPress.org, ORG, which is a platform that I use myself.
Yeah.
And basically set up the website using that way. Make sure when you set up all the graphics and stuff like that you don't get carried away with it, and that your phone number, email address, and the actual physical address of the business is presented within the header.
Yeah.
So that when somebody looks for the site, that's actually present on every page. Chances are, with 80% of people looking for a particular business, they want to know what the contact details are.
Yeah.
Once you get a person calling you, it's a 90% conversion rate, depending on your communication skills, of course. So make sure you understand what your business is all about, and use that as the actual guide to build your website.
Yeah, and I would add to that too, definitely, certainly from the entrepreneurialmother.com point of view, certainly part of what my intention is with that is to be able to actually ascertain and work out what it is you really are in business for, what it is that you actually want to be doing, why you're doing it, and then structure your business to be that. Mm-hmm. And then the website would definitely play a part in that, because about being smart is about getting the lead generation in that you don't actually have to go and find yourself.
That's right.
Definitely. Excellent. Good job.
All right, thanks, Denise.
Nice work, Alex.